All right, here's another frequently asked question. Why do I still owe taxes when they've been taking money out of my paychecks all year long?
Another common trap in the tax world. Sometimes people have withholdings taken out of their check that might not be accurate. Maybe they didn't file their W-4 correctly, or there was a change in their family, or they had a baby, or they got divorced, or whatever. Also, your withholdings is an estimate. We don't know exactly what that is because you could have income coming from other sources. You could have other things besides your W-2 that could affect what your tax liability is. So again, another good reason to maybe come and chat with us before the end of the year, because we can look at it and say, okay, if this is all that's being withheld, this is what your tax is going to be, but we still have another month or so to change the withholdings or be a little bit more aggressive so that come tax time, you have to cough up several $1,000s.